Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own point of sale model. So these are some materials that we'll need. We'll need cardboard, construction paper, a ruler, markers, pens, some glue, paper fasteners, a paper plate, and some scissors. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do is draw 4 straight lines to the center of your paper plate in the shape of a pizza. And then you'll take one of those lines and you'll draw an arrow at the top and label it wind. And then on each of the lines, you're going to write the corresponding point of sale. And on each side of the paper plate, you'll write starboard and port tack. Next, I'm using the cardboard to cut out a little model boat. And as you'll see, I color it as one of the BSIC turnabouts. Next, I'm using construction paper to cut out and fold up a sail. Once those are done, I'm using a nail to put a hole through each of my objects, and I connect them using the paper fasteners. And after that, you have a point of sale model.